first year of BS Ed Math. So for today's video, we talks about body system, how it's work and its relationship to human movement. So our bodies are made up of 11 basic organ systems that manage all the essential body function. Each organ has a specific function, but each one of them has the same requirements. But for now, we only discuss at least 3 organ systems, and it should be integumentary system, skeletal system, and muscular system. So now, let's talk about each of the system individually. So we'll first start with the integumentary system, which is actually the largest organ system of the body, includes the skin, all associated structure of the skin such as your hair, fingernails, toenails, sweat glands, and oil glands. Now, while we probably don't normally think of the integument as having a lot of function, it's actually a very important organ system of the body. It helps to protect our body. It separates the external environment from the internal environment of the body, and it helps us to regulate body temperature. It also plays a role in things such as elimination of certain waste, and one really important role that the skin has is in helping us to make vitamin D. This is the reason why it is important for us to get out and into the sunlight so that we can make vitamin D, which is very important for other processes to occur in the body. This organ system is also responsible for detection of sensation such as touch, pain, warm and cold, and finally it helps us to store fat and provides us insulation. So all fat is actually not bad, and we actually need it, and it is a part of the integumentary system. So the second organ system that we'll discuss is the skeletal system. Skeletal system is going to be made up of your bones and the joints of the body and also the associated cartilages. The skeletal system has multiple functions including supporting and protecting the body. It also provides surface area for muscles attachment. So without the bones, your muscles do not work or your skeletal muscles do not work. The bones are also important in helping with body movement, again together with the muscular system. And finally, in your bone, we actually have the cells that produce things such as our red blood cells and also store things such as certain minerals and lipids that our body needs in order to perform other function. The last organ system that we'll discuss for today is the muscular system. Muscular system is actually the skeletal muscles. There are actually other types of muscle tissues as well, including the smooth muscles and the cardiac muscles, but the skeletal muscles which are attached to the bones are important because it allows us to move. We would not be able to walk, we would not be able to talk, or do any of the things that we do that requires movement without the presence of our muscular system. Without muscles, human could not live. Along with our skeletal muscles, allowing us to move, it also allows us to stand still, and it helps us to maintain our posture so that we are able to stand, to sit, or to do any other movement. So that would be the end of my video presentation. I hope that you learned something about body system, how it works and its relationship to human movement. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.